This is an Orthok case where the patient is presbyopic and is interested in some sort of multifocal correction. And right now, with the current lenses, the patient's undercorrected by about a diopter and a half in each eye with poor distance vision. With myopic ortho-K, I have not done any multifocal cases with patients. I have done monovision with presbyopes, but not any lenses with where each individual lens has multifocal optics in it. With wave, I guess theoretically the two ways you could do it is to create a lens with a very small OZ, so maybe 3.5 or 4 millimeters, and then the corresponding IC that could mimic a distance center lens. Um, the other way to do it is to add a sphericity to the lens. So um, for a myope, it would be maybe minus 25 or so, and then you can see at the center of the lens we got a lot of flattening right in the center, but very quickly it tapers to very minimal amounts of correction. So again, mimicking a distance center sort of lens setup. And like I said, I've never really done this. I'm not sure if this is a patient you particularly want to experiment with. If not, I would just aim for a single vision distance in the right eye, single vision reading in the left eye, and see if that kind of vision is going to work out for the patient. So for the right eye, I believe this is the dominant eye, and this is the one where we need a little bit more distance correction. I would just build that in. If we're at a 1.7 right now, then our new target would probably be around 2.7, maybe 2.95, and that should increase the amount of myopia that's being treated. Maybe go one more. Anytime we change the power and wave, I do like to go in 25% mode and check the other meridians. You can see where we started at 284, 268. So we're getting some disparity between the different meridians. And I would go through and just touch these up so that we're a little bit more uniform. For example, here, it's a little bit closer. Because we're in freeform mode, we have to do this in all 8 meridians. Okay, and that's a little bit more uniform. In the left eye, with a +2 add and minus 150 residual prescription, we could probably drop that down. And again, go through the different meridians and double check our powers. So now we have lenses where we should be closer to plano of refraction in the right eye and around a -2 residual refraction in the left eye for a standard monovision effect. This is what I traditionally do with presbyopic patients. What I mentioned in the beginning about theoretical multifocal lenses, something that I probably would experiment with at some point, but I haven't found a good patient to do that with. And if you do head down that road, I'd like to hear how your results are. So hopefully this will help at least take care of this current patient. Thanks for watching.